Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. In today's lecture, we will continue with Unit 1, which was Buckle Up. Today, we will learn about word families. So, open up page number 4 and let's get started. First of all, let us discuss what actually word families are. Word families are groups of words with common endings. The endings include the vowel and the consonant letter that follow. So, on page number 4, first of all, let us see the first word family of OT. You can see that after the first letter, the word is ending with a vowel and a consonant letter. So, read along with me and let's see how many words are there for this word family. The first word is pot, dot, hot, cot, slot, spot, and plot. Now, on the same page, we have another word family which is of OP, op. The words are, read along with me, mop, hop, top, pop, chop, flop, and shop. Now, on page number 5, let us see the last word family, which is of OG, og. Read along the words with me. Jog, bog, cog, hog, fog, log, and frog. Now, in this lesson, we learned that in the text there were highlighted letters OT, OP, and OG in the different colors. These letters are called word families. We can make many words of these word families. Now, let's do an activity. I want you to make more words as above for each word family. For example, I have made the word clot for the OT family, crop for the OP family, and then for OG family, I made the word blog. Let's see how many words can you make. Try at least making 5 words for each word family and write them down on a loose sheet. Thank you.